HTML and CSS and JavaScript running in an embedded Chromium framework. It's basically Atom, except instead of their custom written editor, or instead of the editor that GitHub wrote to run inside Atom, they've taken the editor from Monaco, Visual Studio Online, and wrapped it up. And VS Code, it's free to download, it's free to install, but it's not open source. And so for that reason, I'm going to say don't use it. Because I want them to open source it. When they open source it, then we can use it. Also, it doesn't even try to do Vim. If you press escape, then nothing happens. And I don't know about you, but I can't work like that. You know, does anyone? Have we got any Vim users in the room? And you know, if you're given an editor without Vim, then you're wondering why your code's not compiling, and it's because it turns out you've got random O's and I's and A's all over the place where you were trying to go into insert mode and you're already there. If you want to spend money, and I was hoping to get a build of this to show you, but it's not there yet on Linux, but there is a team of guys working on, essentially, you know, people have been saying for years that JetBrains should make a C# IDE. Well, these guys got bored of waiting and they're making their own. That's going to be launching at some point soon. You can already get alpha builds on Windows, but they're struggling with the whole Linux thing, so it's not there yet. So, in development, we use that Yo ASP NET thing, and that will let us set things up. And then we do add the new restore, and that installs all our packages for us. And then we do dnx.kestrel. So what's Kestrel? Well, let's jump out of here and we'll go into MVC, and we'll jump into our project.